Grate. Grate. Grate the cheese and sprinkle it over the tomatoes. Pinch. Pinch. Put all the ingredients, including a pinch of salt, into a food processor. Add. Add. Add a teaspoonful of mixed herbs. Broil. Broil. In broiling or grilling, the food is cooked directly over a very hot flame. Chop. Chop. Chop the carrots up into small pieces. Cut. Cut. Cut the vegetables into thin strips. Dip. Dip. Dip the pieces so they are completely coated. Fry. Fry. I always fry potatoes in hot fat with a bit of onion. Boil. Boil. Once water begins to boil, its temperature no longer rises. Stir. Stir. Stir the sauce gently until it begins to boil. Spread. Spread. He spreads some strawberry jam on his toast. Knead. Knead. Knead the dough lightly, then shape it into a round loaf. Grill. Grill. Put it under the grill for a minute to brown the top. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. Sprinkle some roasted chopped nuts on top. Peel. Peel. Peel the carrots and cut them into shreds. Squeeze. Squeeze. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the bowl. Roll out. Roll out. Roll out the dough into one large circle. Crush. Crush. A windmill is used to crush grain into flour. Strain. Strain. Strain the liquid from the meat and vegetables. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos.